Welcome to MD Cloudix YouTube channel. Today I'm going to install Power Automate desktop versions in my laptop. I'm going to download the setup file and then I will start installing the Power Automate desktop versions. So I searched download Power Automate desktop in Google. So this is the Microsoft link where we can download the Power Automate desktop versions, and click the download the Power Automate installer file, and then it will get download on your machines. Since I already downloaded the setup file, I'm going to run the setup file. Setup for Microsoft Power Automate. I'm going to click the next button. I'm going to keep the default settings. Click install. Click yes to continue. And please wait for a while to complete the installation. Installation successfully completed. We can close the windows or we can launch the applications. I'm going to close the windows, and we have successfully completed the installations. Thanks for watching.